It was midnight. Everyone in the house was asleep. Henry was still awake and he couldn't sleep. Suddenly, he remembered the mango cake in the fridge. He really wanted to eat it. He was so hungry that his stomach was making noises.
I'm starving. Maybe there's some mango cake in the fridge.
He walked quietly to the kitchen and opened the fridge.
No. The mango cake is gone. Oh my God. Who ate my mango cake? Who could do this? Milo. Did you eat my cake? Tell me the truth. Did you eat my cake?
There was no cake in the fridge. Milo looked very innocent.
Don't act so cute. Did you or not? Then who is the midnight thief? Where this sound is coming from?
He turned around and got shocked.
Dad! You ate the whole cake?
Huh. What cake?
The cake. My mango cake.
After saying that, his dad went back to sleep. Harry got an idea for a prank. He took a black marker and drew a funny mustache on his dad's face. The next morning, Dad looked in the mirror. He had a funny mustache.
What? Who did this?
Dad. Look in the mirror. You look so funny. That's what you get for stealing my cake.
Hey, come back here. Don't run away. Come back here.
Moral of the story: don't steal others' treats or get a mustache surprise. Did you enjoy Henry's funny revenge? Tell me in the comments who was your favorite character, Henry, Dad, or Milo? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next funny story.